One.
Before we start our karaoke video segment here, I'd like to talk about this clapper board. If you ever get one, use the items that come with it, the eraser and the little pen with an eraser on the tip. If you use any kind of cleaning materials, it really kind of goofs things up. So that's a tip on that. Now, this is a popular piece of karaoke equipment, and we'll relate our experiences with it. We had problems with the video, and where we were going to use the TV plus the video, say where the singer could use the little video and everybody, the audience, could see the big video with the lyrics on it. At any rate, it did not work. So they were nice enough to replace the machine, but for a nice machine like this, you would think that it would work, and it didn't, and it was kind of frustrating because and we had everything wired up for it. We had microphones, and we went to the trouble of running all the cables and everything up underneath the suspended ceiling to keep all those wires and cables out of the way, and to make it as kind of convenient as possible, and just leave room for people to have fun singing. So that was just, if you purchase one of these, just be aware that it might not be as easy. Sometimes people buy these things for Christmas, and by January, February, these things are in rummage sales or of some such situation where they're being gotten rid of for just a fraction of what they cost. So these can be a lot of fun. I use them periodically, and we haven't tested this one out yet since they sent it back to us, but we're kind of thinking that it's going to work this time. But it was the seeing the lyrics on the little screen, and I think there was one other problem with it. I think
the main thing was the screen wasn't showing.
Yeah, the main thing was the screen. So there's that. Just on the off chance, a 1 in a million chance you're thinking of getting yourself a karaoke, and you open the thing up Christmas Eve, and everybody wants to get in there and have some fun, and then the thing doesn't work properly. So just be aware that it might happen. So we're just trying to relate the experience that we had with it. It doesn't mean that it's going to be that way with you. I have a lot of confidence in this equipment. One of the really, really nice things about it, and this works good, is that you can change keys. Meaning, for you non-musical people, you have a favorite song, and you get up there and start singing, and the disc, the karaoke disc, is in one key, and you can't sing in that key. Well, you just turn the dial to make it into a key that's compatible with your voice. That is really nice. So that's worth the price of admission right there. So I just wanted to give you a little heads up on this, because it can be a lot of fun, but I hope that helps. So long for now.